What's up guys, NateVlog here. Welcome back to the channel. Groovy vibes, good morning. So check this out, we got something in the mail. Amazon, yo, unboxing. What could this possibly be? Well, yeah, if you know from the title, obviously. I'm very excited. Got our scissors here. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, wow, here we go. We got ourselves the Osmo Action Pro 5, yeah, and some accessories. Okay, so why do I have this? I just got this Canon M50 Mark II literally last year, and now I have this. Well, here we go. Let me just discuss this real fast, because honestly, I'm just not happy with it. You know, I've been doing this for almost 9 years now, and it's the quality is just not where it's at. Okay, I'm out there vlogging, right, holding it, it's shaky, it gets blurry, there's cropped heads, and it's just not where it's at anymore. Anyways, my buddy Rye actually had number 4 and he let me try it out. I'm like, well, hold on, wait a second, what a difference. You know, I'm filming, you got the whole face in there, you know, I'm going back and forth with it and no shakiness. And sheesh, I'm just watching my videos, I'm just like, what is going on? What was I thinking? I literally have to hold the camera like this, steady, so steady so it doesn't shake. But you know, I'm vlogging, right? That's what I do. It's shaky. So this action camera is supposed to be where it's at, all right? And of course, it has the wide angle. This does not have the wide angle. Okay, so we're limited on that. We have this now. So let's go ahead and unbox this. One box after another. Here we go, the scissors again. By the way, this costed me, just look this up, $339. Not bad. When this guy cost me like $500, so what's the deal on that? Yeah, I know it's a camera to take photos and videos, but I'm not really much of a photographer. I mean, I have my 16 Pro Max here to take my photos, and it does really well. Okay, so inside we got ourselves the Type-C on Type-C instruction manual. And what is this? Hold on, what's going on here? Oh, jeez, more scissors? Okay, a battery? I think that's what it is. Oh gosh, battery. All right. This, I think for the tripod. Get rid of that. Oh my gosh. Oh, and case holder. All right, open this. What's in here? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is going on here? Yeah, this is magnetic. Wow. Would you look at that? Yeah, so hold the camera. Yeah, that goes in here. Let's actually take a look at the camera. Jeez, come on. So much packaging. Yeah, this is brand new, by the way. Gosh. Okay, there it is. Wow, look at that. There it is. Tighten the lens to protect cover before taking into water. So, okay. This can go underwater. This guy can't. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. All right. So anyways, I gotta have the full vlogging setup here. So also I bought, not this, this is actually what I use to hold my Canon M50 Mark II. I actually really like this a lot. Tripod, look at that, legendary. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this with this, but hold on, check this out now. Here we go. A case. Yeah, oh gosh, more unboxing. Literally just the whole video is just unboxing my new camera setup. All right, so this one cost me around $35. It was $45, but I Capital One gave me a discount, and this is full on metal right here. Wow, this is a nice protective case here for what is this now? Lens caps, I guess. Yeah, this is metal. This one they give you is plastic. This is the extra one. You don't have to get this if you don't want, but I'm just showing you how my setup's gonna be. Last is this Type C, and what the hell is this? A jack entry. Okay, there. For the cable, because we're using my old mic. Yeah, this is the one that was making all that noise. Well, I changed the wiring, so hopefully that does the job. So this goes in there, and this hooks up on the side, which this will go in. So here we go, let's set this all up. So far so good, it's working. Okay, so now how do we open this up? Oh, just like that. Nice little lever there. All right, insert there, close. Now hook up this mic from here. Oh, gotta lock her in. And then where does this go? Oh, it goes like that. Okay, and then you just fold this like this in there. Somehow I'm gonna figure this out. And then yeah, we got this, right? How do you stick this on here? Okay, so there it is, and then this goes under here as a magnet. Ooh, you hear that? Lock it in there. That's not going anywhere. Then we got this. Unscrew. Okay, should we use theirs? Yeah, it works. Okay, in like that. Lock. All right, all locked in. Hook this up on here. Oh wow, so there we go. That is my camera setup. That's how it's gonna be. Wow. Geez, just trying to figure out how to do all this. But this wiring is a little in the way. Yeah, I'm not digging that wiring situation, but we'll see how. I mean, look at that. That's yeah, that's not good. I have to tuck this in somehow. Something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go along here in the future, but maybe something like that. I don't know, we'll see. But hey, hold on, we haven't even turned this on yet. Let's turn it on. Yeah, oh my god, I just realized the battery's right here. Oh god, I'm gonna have to take this all apart again. So, lift up from here, open there. Yeah, battery here. Oh, scissors again. Okay, scissors. All right, scissors. Do we need scissors? Yeah, we need scissors. So this is what the battery looks like. All right, hopefully it has lots of power. Do I need to charge this first? Does it come with it charging? How does that work? Oh, Type C, that's how. Wow, okay, so you don't need to put it in some type of device, charge it that way, yeah? Just literally do it Type C, just like your phone. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on now. So, power button, left side. Ooh, English, setting it up. All right, device name. Oh, QR code, wow. I gotta deal with the phone here. All right, technology, huh? Okay, so let's go ahead and scan. And it brings up this website. App, the app. Wow, comes with an app. All right, we'll download the app. There we go. Downloading. Ah, this is all new to me. So I guess this is just putting all your information in, so we'll go ahead and just do that real fast. So I had to put my email in, all this information. Now it's activating. Waiting. Logging into server. It's asking about what's the date. All the information's in, so now we can actually start filming. Yeah. Wait, don't we need an SD card in here? Where do we even put the SD card? What the hell? Oh, right there. So yeah, I guess there's an internal SD card, and also we can put another one in for more. So I got this in Thailand. It's the Kingston 128 gigabytes. Put this in there. Oh, this thing needs to be charged. All right, that's in. Well, should we go ahead and switch it over? Yeah, let's give it a try. Let's go ahead and film our first clip. So switching off. Okay, so this is what it sounds like with nothing on it. All right, so it's just the camera. So look. Yo, what's up? Yeah. And then we'll switch off to my setup and see the difference. So how does this sound compared to? Okay, compared to this now. So yeah, we got the whole setup now. So as you can see, tripod, mic, cord sticking out like that. Chopper. And me. Yo, so what sounds better? Yeah, this is what it sounds like with the whole mic set up, and now we'll go ahead and unplug it. And how does it sound now? Does it sound better this way? I don't know. This mic, maybe it's the cord. I'm starting to edit and I'm like, hold on, what the hell is going on here? Yo, that does not sound right. It's all muffled up. What the hell? Is it from this cord? Seriously? Let's try this. Okay, so this is no mic on, and yeah, I'm still gonna have to figure out this whole mic situation. I don't understand what's going on. The other one's muffled. I tried the what I've been using on the Canon M50 Mark II, but then that has no sound to it, so this is very frustrating. And we'll go from there. We'll see what happens. But anyways, how does this look? Still need to figure out the whole settings on the lighting and situation like that, and the 4K to 30 I'm pretty sure we're gonna use, because hey, you got 4K, might as well use 4K. I had 4K on the other one, but it was hella cropped. It was already cropped, even more cropped from there. Seriously, ah, geez. Anyways, so check this out. We're out here vlogging, right? Turn this around. I see something interesting. You see Chomper. What's up, Chomper? Yo, how does that look? I don't know about the lighting, but other than that, you can see it, not blurry. 4K, huh? So you got yourself polar bear cichlid, parrot cichlids, African cichlids. They're all hiding. Why are you guys camera shy, huh? What's going on? What are you guys up to? Yo, just hanging out? All right, there you go. Content, huh? Flip this right back around me. How did that look, huh? Any blurriness? No? Well, there we go. Perfect. Alright, anyways, so I just want to end off this video by saying thanks for watching, and still gonna have to watch some videos on how to actually operate this camera professionally and put in the right settings, and then from there, the mic. Yeah, we gotta have a mic. I mean, come on, look at this right now. We gotta have something on there, right? I mean, that's YouTuber. That looks professional. This, we're just filming. Oh, not my style. So, anyways, hopefully in the next video when we're out there, you'll see me with the whole brand new setup. So we'll see you. And hey, don't forget to hit up the PayPal. Venmo's over here. This was very expensive, so description down below. Thank you so much. And like I said, this video was just me unboxing and trying to get it ready and showing you, hey, I got a new camera. All right, we'll see you. Bye-bye. Adios.